I am Dr. Raju M. Matthew. Today, I want to introduce Knowmatics, 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 the mathematics and cybernetics of knowledge. It deals with the structure, nature, properties, production, consumption, and delivery of knowledge as a product or commodity. To the very purpose of Knowmatics is to develop a knowledge processing technology instead of data processing technology. To develop an algorithm for processing knowledge, we need to understand the nature of knowledge. Actually, there is no satisfactory definition for knowledge. So, in the absence of such a definition, then we have to examine what are the nature of knowledge. Knowledge is dynamic, it is non-linear, and it always flows from one source to another. Then only it becomes knowledge. Knowledge, the building blocks of knowledge are concepts. So, in other words, knowledge is constituted with a series of or thousands of concepts related to each other in a particular area of study. And when we study the concepts in different disciplines or domains, we can see that there exists some sort of relationship between these concepts. So the knowledge constituted by concepts are non-linear and dynamic. It is organized the way in which the knowledge or knowledge are stored in our human brain or memory. That is why we can easily assimilate a large quantity of knowledge and we can retain or we can keep them in our memory. So that is why most of the earlier knowledge or scriptures were written in the form of poems or verse that could easily be remembered or learned and remembered or recited by the people. On the other hand, the data, we cannot remember a data consisting of say one or two pages, but if we want to study or remember a 10-page matter data, then we feel it is very much uncomfortable because our brain is not designed for processing information or data but knowledge. So that is why that is why we want to study knowledge in a systematic or scientific or mathematical way and finding out their complex relationship. That is why the cybernetics of knowledge. So in other words, the cybernetics of knowledge can be considered as Knowmatics. The Knowmatics is the basis of knowledge processing, knowledge technology, and that is the basis of knowledge industry. So by taking into account the need of the knowledge technology or knowledge industry or even Knowmatics, Matthew in 1985 developed two theories of knowledge. treating knowledge as a product or commodity. That got published from Moscow by the USSR Academy of Science.